This railing system has a lot of components and a lot of drilling is involved, but for the most part, it's pretty simple to put together once you get everything figured out.
You know, another thing I love about the system is this is quality. I mean, everything's stainless steel and it's not gonna rust. It's gonna hold up really well.
You can tell just by the feel of it. It's high quality.
Oh yeah.
Very sleek.
And safe, you know, it's gonna be safe for the kids. Now, they've got a brand new deck that's essentially become an additional room outside the house. Using the deck to connect the back door and breezeway creates multiple entry points and the opportunity for a circular flow of traffic when entertaining. The deck stain they chose contrasts beautifully with the color of the house and complements its rustic style, while the stainless steel cable rail system adds a slight industrial feel and allows the deck to have unobstructed views in all directions. You know, I absolutely love working with young couples like Denver and Kara because the completion of this deck made them think of all kinds of other projects they would like to take on. Maybe a little landscaping, maybe some overhead lighting. I hope we do the same thing to you to inspire you to take on a few projects around your home. I'm Danny Lipford, along with my daughter Chelsea. We'll see you next week here on today's Homeowner.